So firstly, I just ran myself a bath, as I would usually do on a Pamper evening, just because I think they're nice and relaxing. So whilst that was running, I just thought that I would show you the products that I used whilst I was in there. So I used this comforting marshmallow shower gel thingy. It was the first time I'd used it and it smelled really nice. And I also used the Righteous Butter from Soap and Glory to moisturise. So I thought I'd talk you through this bit. I don't know why, I just kind of felt like it. So sorry the lighting's really bad, it's kind of difficult to find good lighting in your bathroom. But I'm going to move on to my little skincare thing now. I've not changed it up from what I do every day, just because I just haven't. I don't do that much. So the first thing I'm going to use is my Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. This one is for combination and sensitive skin. There's another one which is just a normal one, which is in a pink bottle. But yeah, I've only just started using this green one, but I like it so far. Obviously, if I was wearing makeup, which I haven't been today, I would have done this before I got in the bath, but I'm just doing it afterwards now for some reason. So I'm just going to take it on a cotton pad, put it on there, and then just put it on my face. Pretty self-explanatory, really. By the way, skincare always makes my face look really, really red because I have quite sensitive skin. So if I look like a tomato throughout the next couple of clips, I apologise. So the next thing I'm going to do is use my Clean and Clear Advantage Daily Scrub. This is just a little exfoliator scrub thing, and I like to use this every day. So I just squirt a bit on my hand and then just put a bit of water on it to wet it instead of wetting my face, and then just scrub at my face. Then I'm just going to rinse that off in the sink. So finally I'm going to use my Clean and Clear Advantage Moisturiser. Don't know why this comes in a box and a tube. I don't know. So I just squirt a bit of that. I can open it on my hand. And then just rub it on my face. It's very difficult to describe what you do with skincare products. If, by the way, you do struggle with spots, like you can probably see I do, these Clean and Clear things and the Garnier is actually really, really good. If you look back at videos from like mid to end 2014 of mine, my skin was absolutely horrific with the sunscreen. It was awful, and it's cleared up a lot since then. I don't know if it's down to the products or just life, but I do think it's actually the products that have been helping. And that is literally all I do for skincare. So yeah, my back just cracked. That was my skincare routine, and I also just thought I'd show you the pyjamas that I wore. I have this really cute Finding Nemo top thingy and some Christmas bottoms which definitely do not match, but oh well. So after I've done all that pampering, sometimes I just like to read. Currently I'm reading The Book Thief, but also sometimes I will go ahead and watch all the YouTube videos in my sub box, and I'll also listen to music. That is typically what I just do on a Pamper evening. So thanks for watching this video. I know it was quite short and there wasn't a lot of things to it, but on a Pamper evening it's mainly just relaxation. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe to the collab channel, and I will see you next week. Bye.